Can I spell? Hell, not for help.
You need the chayes. Kelim are like a goof. It's a tool. It's a pesos, whatever it is. It's not the.
Says Kanan to Stalak Benai Shtarakul Shmon Kagufa Belonishmos. It stays. It has a key.
It has a kiyum, but it's like a goof without a neshama. A goof without a neshama doesn't move, right? It's not piling anything. It's dead.
What has chayes?
Well, that's right. No, so the goof bleibt there, and the goof stays.
Wat zich niet geheerd alle kost is, dus wat ben helemaal gaan.
But this, can you bring a mashal of the goof to explain kelim without the or? Is that can you?
That's the mashal. That's the mashal. That's the Kohen, he says. Kadant is stalak menayu, historical shmon, can go from shmos, when the air is not there, whatever. Then it stays on its own. The pshat that's how even kelim helmul laats me. Is it a raya? Because he says here that the helm is so powerful that it's not seeing the air. In other words, where do we see the air to know that the air is mislavish? The fact that there's helm, because I took off helm magam. So helm magam is the helm.
No, but you still see things happen. I mean, there's still
the etzem mitzius, everything that's happening is helm.
Or but the fact that it's here, it's something, that it's something is a gilui, right? The fact that there's a world is a gilui.
But the element means that it's not here, or it's just concealed.
We don't see it.
We don't see him.
So it has an effect even if it's concealed.
But the shaila is it working on the terms of hell? In other words, like this. His slavs as became a chudar would mean that not only that it's mafil the kelim, that the kelim should do what they could do, that the air should shine through. That's the slavs. From the mere fact that we see vel, so I see hell worked. It transformed the air. It should work on its terms, not on the air's terms. Is that Tachis Slapshas? The Tachis Slapshas is that it's almost air. The air is lost, not seen. Then what would be a question? How is mislabish air by kelim? The kelim is here.
No, but you see gvul.
You see air also. Gvul is l'chora tetzah from hell. When I see gvul, what do I see? I see not air. I see lack of air. I don't see air.
No, I see orach chachma. I see orach ezra.
I see orach chachma. Vuzad mirzan orach chachma.
I mean,
you know, they found in science lately that the entire universe works on 2% of matter, revealed matter, and that 98% of the world exists on dark energy.
What's dark energy?
So I'm saying with dark energy would mean the LM.
Hickston Briggs something particle
they discovered a certain particle.
The God particle.
Yeah, that's what they call it.
Okay.
2% of matter that is revealed. We know that everything functions.
In all space, or even on our Earth.
Oh, space. The whole thing.
The whole thing. The universe. And the 98% of things that exist through dark energy. Meaning something that we can't point what's the essence, where it's coming from.
Like non-existence.
Exactly, non-existence.
And the 2% they do know.
Yeah, they could relate how things work through that revealed.
I don't know how they measure these things. I don't know.
But I'm saying, would that dark energy be ALM? The ALM?
I don't know what they know. The dark energy is seemingly also creation.
It's revealed.
It's a work.
It's there. It's dark. It's there.
It's Oranello.
The Oranello. So that would be the Oranello.
It's alt nivre. It's not one.
The LM is not a...
Oranello is not a physical...
A nefesh is nivre. Chais is nivre. Chais al kies bechlalish begender nivroim. It's ayin. If they know anything about it, it's not. They're speaking about energy that's something they can relate to. It's not speaking about energy bechlal.
No, that's what they're saying. They can't relate to this energy.
Well, the pshat from them. The fact that they relate, that they can't relate. It's not a mitzvah ayin. Of course, it's not the pshat something that's
tangible. It cannot be expressed in matter.
If they would have an inkling in this ayin, maybe they I don't know how they say it. The pshat as
כן, יש להם תפיסה בזה כאילו.
מה התפיסה בעין? אין תפיסה, זה לא עין.
כן.
אני לא יודע, אני לא נכנסתי
אבל אני יכול להגיד שיש עין איך אני אומר שיש עין, מאיפה אני
או
מרגיש?
גוף השיילה. זה שיילה גדל מעין. מה הפירוש שאנחנו מבינים יש מעין? מה הפשט? ואם כן מבינים, אז לא היינו פה. ברגע שאדם מרגיש שכל המציאות שלו זה רק תודה שיש עין, ומילא האמיתיות שלו זה עין, ולא המציאות הישות שלו, is no more me. If he's here, I'm not here. If my whole being is not me, so my whole existence is a shekel gomer, I'm living false. If a person would have had the awareness of it, that he's a nivrid, yesh me'ayin, is was dreig zich hakok, what am I making so crazy? Dafke hell am I better man nivrid. He doesn't feel that's the only way he can exist. The whole possibility of his havos is because hell has to have better man nivrid. But he feels the better, the ayin, which is hepich mitziyus say, he's not here, he's bottled and sees.
So the element would be not to experience the ayin, mamash.
Yeah, so I don't know what, I don't know.
Yeah, just a question.
I don't know. It says that a goy bechlal is teifes the hester ike.
That's right.
Mainly
So that's why they have 98%. 98%.
So we don't know the pshat emes elatz me. Actually, we don't know. He's saying emes elatz the fact that there's a world finally. The gamma emes elatz. Later. Ich have shown is the word is not just that it's the titles that they're affected by the kelim. As is in slavish and kelim.
He's saying that the fact that we see what we see, this is a proof of Helen. The fact that we're here.
What?
The fact that we're here, it's proof of Helen.
He's not Helen, so what's the right? Eir is mislavish. We're learning Kabbalah now, in other words. We're learning Psari Ezel Akaz, and we'll close it on the Nechet.
No, because the union of Isavus is from Or, not from Kalim. It's through Kalim, but it's...
In order to make a Yimitsuya, it's a Meig, and a Yimitsuya. So the slapshus be'ilams mean the fact that it's in smoking leilam. It's fine. It's smoking to Zula. Smoking to hell. So you've asked the Gamma Emes Elatz me. He says, Shades, that he said already. V'harei on the range, Shesh P'nei slapshus be'ilams, Shezeo b'sherish, Mesesiris dat Zilas. Cool, finish, stop. V'gam, what's the V'gam? Emes Elatz me.
Referring to what he said before. Explaining.
I wonder what this expression came from. I never heard it.
It's not a Davar Chassidus.
No, but I'm just saying, he like uses it like an expression, but I never heard it. You know, where does it come from? It has a
He
shade.
says from the Shem. The Shem uses the Sprach on the place.
It says in the
Sag.
over here he has a book that says it's a term used by in the Sifrei Rishonim.
Oh, really?
The Sifra Chekim is using a lot.
Must say that. Okay. First time
The
I've
fact
ever
is,
seen-
you don't need a proof for it. The Daf is bringing it out. Say, when do you need a proof for something? When you're far from it. You want to explain something.
Right, when it's in front of your face. That's it.
They even see it's a slapshus. How is it? Muslims on. What the touch is, how much we'll explain it, it proves it's not getting the thing itself. The thing itself is much deeper. It's a fact. The fact.
That it's mitlabish. You
No,
can see.
yeah,
You can
that's-
see.
It's the way it is.
Yeah, no, but then it says emes elatz. So the emes is proving.
Itself.
So you want to prove it's slapshus, you're proving it from the fact that you see the effect of the
I
slapshus.
think it's Okshim free by an rain.
Huh?
So you said already, in fact, we see the elements, so that's B'Sheish, come messages, that's it.
Oh, by illness, aber nicht da, the matter.
But where were the elements?
Yeah, whatever.
And this is one of the elements, no? This is effective elements.
Okay.
See, I got it's fine.
Fine, but okay.
She said, B'Sheish, messages, that's it. V'gam, what am I saying?
But it's real, it's not just Emes Elatz, it's Emes Elatz Shein Chinas Slapshus Pnimi. He's going to emphasize on the fact that this is the only way it can be, there's no other way.
No other way to that. He's saying already before there's no other way.
Right, but I mean...
Emes Elatz means the fact itself proves
No,
itself.
in other words, the Tetzah proves itself.
The Titzah means
same
the
thing,
Emes
yeah.
Elatz means the Titzah is Shin
The
Be'ah.
emes is what we see here. We see a world. This is the emes. This is our emes, right? This is what we're dealing with. And that itself is a latzman, but it's b'chinas slapshus benini. two different things here. Before he said he was just talking about the R coming besapshus. But now he's saying, and the world itself proves that. No. That's.
We don't know that the MSA La'asmi means he's talking about the fact if it's the world that means true. You don't know what his interpretation means when he wrote these words.
MSA La'asmi means La'asmi. Who's La'asmi? The Eres Datzilus. They themselves
they
are
come
proof of the fact. They are the proof for it.
The Olamot are a proof?
No, that's before. That's the same word. And the Reish is Slapshus Be'im.
Point of this.
The Gam, MSA La'asmi, the thing itself. It doesn't need a proof.
Okay.
Who wants to me Zulas? Who wants to know man? I need to slap. Never take it. Who Shama?
אז זה לא ביטוי, זה איכשהו, הוא מדבר.
כן.
אוקיי.
Another shot. I don't know. The question, how could it be? So must we say that the air itself is not moving? Not believe. Kids, gam is that zilsim chas esesir. So kemi ba'atik va'kudim shesesir is ein be'eres. Sh'im ein believe will ich mislabshim back yedum shem chinas go. Firstly, akadem mislabshim will there to be ultimately believable. V'gam she'in la kechad will the kem only kechad will. Aber support that in Magdon upon chinas chas devur that it should express its ein sof in a tzir mug. V'gam also magdilum mispashtu so Yisrak Batzil. It's not only do they say what it should be, but how much it should be. It also is Magbal. Only not Tzilus in the Elam of Olakus Begilu. It could be Mashaken. No, not that Tzilus is not Mizgal the way it is. In a day, man, it's not like Gilead in some places that a Shim with me at Tzimtzum. Over there also it's Mislabish. It's not a question. Shadei first day, it's like when you see his cloud, there's nowhere in whom he's Mislabish, so to speak. The Gam, the Emes, Hoyos Kirchagul Behelm, Kerech Helm, and so far big Lach at Tzimtzum. It was Behelm means it overrided it. So the male, it's not Mislabish. It's behel means it's not relating to it. But la'achar, since that it is relating, that's the emphasis, the fact that it's relating. That's the she'el la'achar atzimtzum. That's the she'el is la'achar atzimtzum. The fact that it relates to something else. In the male, if this is raya, the fact relating, it does go for it. The fact that it made tzimtzum, the fact that it's mislavish. Vad kol anal, it says le'itochalim, and the masher nikir echesed, or rak la'achar eslapshus, besides all this, we can't say the fact that it is called erechesed is only after it comes into the cave. So that's me yuchali say that word. In Cain, if you're going to say that what? You're going to say like this. The Ebed said Atzme is believable. And the only reason it has rules thanks to the Keli, you can't say it. Why? In Cain, ma winni disa bezeir lechel chodaf bezayin amedal from Kishmelech Shom Hashem Arizal achlifu duchtayu era chesed b'kliyah. As the Loshen said that they changed their places. And instead of Erech Chesed coming to Kliyah Chesed, Erech Chesed came to Kliyah Gvura. So if you're going to say the only reason why it's called Erech Chesed, it said Ein, so that's in this Poshut. And the only reason you got a Tzir of Chesed is because it came into Akeli, it's relating to a certain thing. And it said, it's Poshut Legamri. If so, how is it possible? The Inyan of Erech Chesed Kliyah Gvura. The only reason it gets Te'er Chesed is because it's relating to this Keli, like you say in the module of Eres became the light in a colored light bulb. So then the only reason it gets green is because of the Keli. So then how can you say the green light came in the red? If the only reason it has green is thanks to the Keli. You can't even say it changes this place. Not just you can't say achlifu duchtayu era chesed b'kliyah gvura. The problem is that I'm relating it to chesed. You can't say achlifu duchtayu. He doesn't have a place where it belongs to him. He belongs everywhere equally. It's one air coming and everyone. Nash is what it could take. So it's not that he changes his place. The same thing. His place is everywhere. Like you say a mirror. Everything could show itself in the mirror because nothing relates to the mirror more than another thing. Nothing's shaykh it more. But when he comes, it's not because he's misyaches aladovor. Because anything he has over there, rather he has nothing anywhere, and therefore he can come anywhere. So what's trying to change his place? He has no place even when he comes. He has no place. So this is a raya that the air itself is a mugdar. This is one of the. Maybe the case Beinim of Ayin Bais, but the Ayin Bais